Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix there has been an error in Microsoft Store. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to services, on search, and then you need to look for, click on one of the tasks here, and then you just need to press letter M, and then look for Microsoft. And then you need to look for Microsoft Store install service. So let's look at here. Install service. So what you need to do next is to right click, go to properties, make sure it's on automatic, and then stop it. Wait for a couple of seconds, apply OK, then right click, and then you just need to refresh it, and then go to properties and make sure it's on automatic and it's running here. So this is the first step what you need to do here. Then again, go to search, look for installed apps. On install apps, you need to search, just basically scroll down until you see system components. System components, and then here you will see Microsoft Store. Wait until it loads up, and then you just need to press on the three dots, advanced options, press repair, wait for a couple of seconds, and then press reset. And wait again until it's done. Then you can close this. Then you just need to write run or press Windows and I key, and then you just need to write wsreset.exe and press OK. And then Microsoft Store should refresh and you should not be getting any errors anymore. So that's pretty much it. If I can help you out, please press like.